Hello, and welcome back to StoryTone English. This is day 8 of your daily English speaking practice series. If you've been following our journey, you already know Rina's story, from speaking in class to practicing with strangers and real-life situations. Today, we focus on building natural English sentences, learning how to speak smoothly, connect words, and sound more fluent in everyday conversation. So, sit back, relax, and let's begin. Star Story, Rina's Sentence Adventure. Rina was feeling excited this morning. She had learned many English words and practiced speaking daily, but sometimes her sentences sounded awkward. "I know the words, but I don't know how to put them together naturally," she whispered. Her teacher smiled and said, "Rina, fluency is not just words, it's sentences, thoughts, and flow. Start thinking in English, connect words naturally." Rina decided to practice this idea. She wrote short sentences about her day. I wake up early. I drink tea. I read a book. Then she started connecting them naturally. I wake up early and drink tea before I read my book. She smiled. It sounded smooth. She practiced this for hours, writing sentences about her hobbies, her family, and her dreams. By the afternoon, she was able to speak in full sentences without pausing after every word. She realized that connecting ideas naturally makes English sound alive. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. Let's practice connecting small sentences into natural speech. Repeat after me. I wake up early and drink tea before reading my book. I enjoy listening to music while I study English. After finishing my homework, I go for a short walk in the park. I like reading stories because they help me learn new words. Every day, I practice English and improve a little more. Great! Speak these sentences aloud several times to build fluency. Mini dialogue practice. Now a short conversation. Repeat after me slowly and naturally. Hi, how was your day? It was good. I practiced English this morning and read a book. That sounds productive. Which book did you read? I read a story about a young adventurer. It was very interesting. Cool. Did you learn new words? Yes, I wrote them in my notebook and used them in sentences. Practice this dialogue 2 times, imagining the emotions and tone in your voice. Fluency tips. Think in English. Don't translate from your native language. Connect words naturally. Use and, because, but, so to join ideas. Practice short stories. Even 2 to 3 sentences a day help a lot. Speak aloud daily. Your brain and mouth will sync naturally over time. Listen and repeat. Audio from books, YouTube, or stories will improve your flow. Remember, small sentences today become long, smooth sentences tomorrow. Evening reflection. Rina sat by her notebook and wrote, Day 8. I can now speak sentences naturally. Connecting ideas makes English feel like my own language. Small steps every day lead to fluency. She smiled and whispered to herself, I'm closer to speaking English confidently. Every day counts. Practice challenge. Your turn. After this video, take 5 short sentences about your day. Connect them naturally using and, because, or but. Speak aloud for 2 to 3 minutes. Record yourself and listen. Celebrate your progress. Outro, channel closing. Great job today. This was day 8 of your daily English speaking practice series. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, and subscribe to StoryTone English. Tomorrow, in day 9, Rina will learn how to tell short stories in English, making her speaking more engaging and fluent. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, fluency comes from connecting words, ideas, and thoughts naturally. This is StoryTone English, signing off. See you tomorrow for day 9.